when people who dress like me commit crimes, they need to be held to account too. We can't have a two-tiered system of justice, whether that two tiers is Republican and Democrat, or whether it's white collar and blue collar, or whether it's violent crime versus business crime or political crime. I used to say to my guys and women in my office, crime is crime. And anybody who does it needs to know we're going to come knocking on their door. And so the second instruction I give to the Attorney General is, I don't care what party someone belongs to. I don't care what job they do. They break the law, they need to go to jail. And the proof of that is, when I was U.S. Attorney, we did 130 political corruption prosecutions in 7 years. Republicans and Democrats. In fact, I put 10% of the state legislature in jail when I was U.S. Attorney. It's 120 in the state legislature. I put 12 of them in jail. And then I became governor. You can imagine how much they were looking forward to me coming down to the state capitol to work with them after I put 10% of them in the can. But what people understood was, when I was running the show, the first 2 cases I did was against the African-American Republican mayor of Patterson, one of our larger cities. The second case I did was against the Republican frontrunner for the United States Senate. And one of the county chairmen, Republican county chairman, after we raided that guy's offices, and everybody knew he was going down, called an old law partner of mine and said, "What the hell is Chris doing? I thought he was one of us." And my old law partner said to him, "You don't understand him. He's not one of us. He's got a job to do. He's going to do it. He doesn't care who's on the other side of it." We've got to return to that, everybody. If that means Hunter Biden should go to jail. He lied on his application for a gun permit about his drug use. And under the federal law, that means a 10-year minimum jail sentence. I didn't make the law. Guess who made the law? Senator Joe Biden was the sponsor of that law. He thought it was a good idea then. And Hunter Biden, I don't see any way he gets out from under it. He did it. So now they finally brought the charge against him. That's good. And I think there are going to be other charges against him on tax and maybe on dealing with foreign governments. And that's all good. It should be done. And in my state,